Samsung The Premiere Projector 130 delivers a huge cinematic image with sharp 4K detail and rich high dynamic range contrast that genuinely feels like a dedicated theater screen at home. Its ultra-short throw design lets you place the projector very close to the wall or screen, making it practical for living rooms where a traditional long throw setup would be awkward. The triple laser light source produces a bright, vibrant picture with excellent color saturation, so sports, movies, and games hold up well even with some ambient light in the room. Built-in smart television features powered by Samsung software give you direct access to major streaming apps and an intuitive interface without needing an external streaming box. The integrated multi-channel speakers create surprisingly full, room-filling sound for a projector, reducing the need for a separate audio system in many setups. Convenient extras like support for popular voice assistants and automatic game enhancements round out the package for users who want a modern, connected home theater centerpiece.